Over the last few years, there have been debate about one-to-one technology programs in the school system. From being a teacher for the past 13 years and recently within the past few years implementing technology within my health and physical education classes, I am a huge advocate for one-to-one technology programs in schools.
Let's start by defining what one-to-one technology is. In the context of education, one-to-one technology refers to academic institutions such as schools or colleges issuing each enrolled student an electronic device in order to access the internet, digital course materials, and digital textbooks. One-to-one technology offers the benefit of equal access, standardization, easy upgrades, simple networking, and the ability to monitor student progress and online behavior. Because one-to-one technology programs may have many goals, from improving educational outcomes to increasing equality, and are associated with such a wide range of teaching methods, it is also difficult to judge their overall success or value. Let's look at some benefits of one-to-one technology programs. More engaged learners. A 4-year study of 5,000 middle school students in Texas found that those engaged in laptop immersion programs were less likely to have disciplinary problems than students in schools without laptops. Better technology skills. The Texas study also found that the technology skills of students in laptop programs improved significantly, so much so that after 3 years, low-income students in the laptop schools displayed the same levels of technology proficiency as wealthier students in controlled schools. Also, cost efficiency. Proponents of one-to-one programs also assert that such programs create savings in other areas, including reduced costs for textbooks, paper, assessments, and paperwork, as well as reduction in disciplinary actions. And lastly, differentiation of content delivery. As teachers, we all know that every student learns differently and at different rates. And with the one-to-one technology program, we can use different applications and deliveries to get these students all on the same page and actually understanding and learning at a very efficient level. The program that I plan to implement at Philip O'Berry High School is called Project ITT, which means Project Implementation of 21st Century Technology. At Philip O'Berry High School, we already use Bring Your Own Technology, but not every student is able to bring technology to school every day due to a wide range of socioeconomic backgrounds. To solve this problem, I would like to propose Project ITT. To fund this project in Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools, we would ask for funding from a variety of sources due to the size of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg school system. For funding for Project ITT, we would ask for monies from Mecklenburg County, Title I, which also helps with schools with students with low socioeconomic backgrounds, Project Lift, which does the same thing as Title I, and also being that Charlotte is the second biggest banking industry in the U.S., we would also ask for help from Bank of America and Wells Fargo as well. We would also ask for parents to pay a $65 protection plan fee, which covers damage done to the device. The device would also come with a cover and cords to charge the device. Certain blocks will be put on the device for students not to access certain materials that are on the websites and things of that nature. And lastly, we would also ask for parent, teacher, and student seminars just so everyone can be on the same page from home to school and vice versa. Another school district that neighbors Mecklenburg County to the south is Rock Hill School District that also implemented a one-to-one technology program in 2012, which is called the iRock Initiative. In the iRock Initiative, all students in grades 4 through 8 were given iPad 2s to take home and to use for homework, in class, and at their leisure. Students from grades 9 through 12 were issued MacBook laptops to use as well. All teachers were issued iPads as well, with extensive professional development to understand how to use every nuance and ins and outs and apps of all the new technology that was implemented. Professional development. Teachers must go through extensive training and professional development to integrate meaningful digital technologies into their curriculum. Teachers, through effective professional development, can more effectively reach all learners, differentiate instruction, and assess understanding through multiple measures when students have access to digital learning devices. The more effective the teacher is at getting across and portraying each lesson, the more effective the learner will be. For a district-wide technology program to be implemented, I believe that teachers must adhere to instruction differentiation guidelines. Students must adhere to rules and regulations of using the technology. Parents must help with monitoring the use of the technology, and seminars and trainings for parents as well need to be put into place so that learning can be taking place at school as well as at home. In closing, rather than being a cure-all or silver bullet, one-to-one technology programs may simply amplify what's already occurring. For better or worse, in classrooms, schools, and districts, technology alone never holds the key to success. However, when used right, technology can be an essential driver in accelerating forward momentum into the future. While helping students get ahead of the curve, one-to-one technology programs can also be very crucial in developing hard skills, which are typically your technology skills, and soft skills, which are typically your cooperative learning and higher order thinking skills.